Hello and welcome. You're watching us here on a fresh new edition of Chartbusters. I'm Bangla Malu, with me Nigel D'Souza. We opened well, we're meandering around mildly in the green, but then we have a bunch of stocks which are doing well and a lot of them which are not. The Sensex virtually at the high point of trade, and as is the Nifty, 18,150 levels upwards of this. Will there be resistance, or can there be case for further short covering or not, is the big question we will ask Shivangi Sarda, who joins us. Shivangi, thank you so much for joining in. We've been in this 18,000 to 18,150 sort of range for the last 3 or 4 trading sessions. Your thoughts now that we've opened, and seen some pace pick up, do you think we're likely to go higher from here?
Good morning, Manglam and Nigel. Thank you for having me on the show. So we've seen that there has been good amount of support-based buying in the index in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So as far as Nifty is concerned, we've seen that it has surpassed its previous day's high very efficiently, and buying can be seen at any declines. So recommending a buy from here, because we do expect a more upside from here. All the data points are quite positive. The Nifty PCR OI has cooled down, which gives a room for a more upside over here. Long-short ratio of the FIIs have also improved. Overall, the option data also looks towards the positive side. So we could expect 18,250 and 18,350 levels over here, with the support of 18,050 levels. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, we've seen that, from the last 4 sessions, we had seen some sort of underperformance, but then again, now it is taking good amount of support and moving ahead with support of, some banking stocks which are outperforming. Now, we've seen that, even after the gap up opening today and the global markets, giving a tailwind to the index, it is sustaining at higher zones, and we could expect 43,500 from here, at these levels, with a support of 42,750.
Okay, all right, Shivangi, thanks so much, for joining by and in fact giving us your call on the index. And clearly, you're sounding fairly positive out there. But individual stocks, what are you looking at?
So my first pick would be on GAIL. We've seen that it surpassed its resistance zones of around 99 levels, and it has been a consistent outperformer because it has been making higher lows from the last 4 months. Now it is trending in an upward channel on the weekly frame as well. In the December series so far, we've seen short covering move, which could drive the stock higher to around 106 levels, with a stop near 99 levels. Now my second pick would be on M&M. We've seen that it is coming out of its consolidation of the last 9 sessions on daily frame, and in this series we've seen 24% open interest addition with price rise, and clearly it is coming out and holding well at its higher zones. So expecting a more upside over here to around 1400 levels, with a stop near 1315.
All right, thanks a lot for that. So that's about her call. So with that, let's shift focus to our special segment called